Welcome. If you want to change a display refresh rate in your XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite, at the first you have to go for the settings, next tap on display, click on the refresh rate, and as you can see we got here two options. We can go for the 60 Hz, and in this mode we're going to save the battery, and when we go for the 120 Hz we got the better quality of a very animation. It looks very smooth, so we have to decide what you want to get. I'm going to stay with 120 Hz, and after your pickup you can just simply go back. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.